This 2025 Forest River Cherokee Gray Wolf 26 DBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 31 feet 9 inches in length and features a Bryce Canyon interior, sleeps 10, smoke detector, external shower, spare tire kit, water heater, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, air conditioning, LP detector, slide-out, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River Cherokee Gray Wolf 26 DBH is 5,795 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.